So, Helen, do you want to introduce today's conversation topic?
Sure. Today in our conversation, we will demonstrate compliments. Hey, Caitlin.
Damn, girl, you look hot. Are you going out?
Unfortunately not. Didn't do anything special, just washed my hair. Anyway, I'm jealous of your background. Did you paint it yourself?
No, my dad did it for me when I was a kid.
Awesome. I love how colourful it is. He did a good job.
Thanks. I like it. Did you finish your living room?
Yeah, pretty much. I finally got Pedro to put up those pictures. It's only taken about 2 months of asking. What do you think?
I love how you've laid them out.
Thanks. I saw some pictures on of room decor where one wall was photos and I really liked it.
Oh, yeah, I know what you mean. I've seen those.
It just took me a while to persuade Pedro that they looked good, but actually he did it all himself. Even bought most of the photo frames.
I'm impressed. You've trained him well.
Trust me, it took a long time.
For a transcript of this conversation, click on the first link in the description below.
Comment with any questions you have.
And don't forget to subscribe for more videos.
See you next time.